Hi, in this video I want to present my combat system that I made for my as part of my weekly GP assignments. In the background there you can see a slime that we're supposed to make. It walks around in its own designated area based on a nav mesh. So this entire brown square is a nav mesh piece, static nav mesh piece, on which the slime, while idle and while players not close enough, he chooses a random point on the nav mesh and travels to that point, jumps to that point, and after he reaches the point, he chooses a new point and travels there. Player himself normally has a punch, which is very ineffective, very short range, but I added a new set of animations alongside with the sword. So if you pull out the sword, player would switch the animation set and start running, and now the attack is exchanged with this sword swing, which has much bigger range and is much faster. The slimes also respawn from the point you can see up there. It's settable. The slimes react to the player by following him and attacking him. This one is stuck. They sometimes get stuck on. That's one of the minor points, that they sometimes get stuck. So basically, when the slimes get hit, they flash red and they take damage, as you can see on the health bar. Slimes also deal damage to the player, as you can see in the bottom right corner on the player health. After dealing damage, both player and slimes become immune for a fraction of a second to make sure that the player just doesn't get immediately killed. After the slime is killed, it breaks down into smaller slimes, which take 2 hits instead of 3 to kill, and the medium slimes break down into small slimes, which take 1 hit to kill and disappear after getting hit. If the player dies, slimes deal different amounts of damage. Big slimes deal 10 damage, medium deals 5, and small deals 1. If the player dies, he has a death animation, after which he respawns back at the beginning of the level with full health. Yeah, thank you.